Hey tribe, welcome or welcome back to the channel. Happy Monday to you all. I am just leaving my mom's right now. I'm about to head to the park and go walk for a bit. The sun is coming up. It's going on 11 o'clock. So I'm gonna head to the rec right now, walk around, and probably finish out recording for the day. I ended up cleaning up just a little bit more of what was left over this past weekend. I had just a family gathering. It was so nice to see everybody, my uncles, my aunties, cousins, all of the friends of the family. It was just really, really nice to just be around all of that energy. And then yesterday I was able to go and walk with my niece. So we walked about 3 miles, just chit-chatting, catching up. And it was just so special because I feel like we hadn't had a one-on-one in such a very long time. We were trying to figure it out, but I was like, I'm sorry. Let's just enjoy what we have because it's been a little minute since I've seen them and then in person or whatever. So it was nice to also see the rest of the babies, my sister, my brother-in-law. And then I'm gonna be leaving out tomorrow, which is Tuesday, to head back towards Tennessee. So yeah, y'all, I hope y'all are having an amazing day. God's morning. And yeah, I hope y'all have a great rest of your day, and I hope your week is beautiful this week and that you just do all the things that bring you peace, love, joy, and happiness. All right, so I'm gonna meet y'all at the park. Yeah, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Hey y'all, so I just got to the park and this is what I'm looking like. Yes, so I got my yellow on, y'all. Hey y'all, so I just got to the park. I'm here now. It looks absolutely beautiful out here, and I'm just so happy to be out in nature, and also in nature in my hometown where it all begins. So yeah, I'm just gonna walk around. I'll probably just do like a mile or so, nothing too crazy because I don't want to get too sweaty. I'm just kidding. I don't want to get too sweaty, but I'm feeling good, y'all. Feeling good, feeling great. Okay, you could tell I haven't vlogged in a very long time because when I was trying to put my tripod on, I remember my phone on the tripod, y'all, I could not figure it out for the life of me. I said, oh my gosh, it's been forever. It's been forever, and it really showed me how forever it's been. Okay, oh, they do have some, okay, wait a minute, I don't know if that's a part of the park or not, but I do have my Eno in the car, and I see a lot of areas that I can hook up, y'all. But I'm at Eno for a little bit out here. It's nice. But yeah, y'all, it feels good too because the sun is not beaming and it's going on 12 o'clock. Y'all know it also rained as well. The 4th of July, it rained like that night. So, and then I want to say the next day it rained. So yeah, I'm feeling good, y'all. gonna lie, I'm seeing more. Y'all see how my facial expression changed. I'm seeing more rebel flags in my hometown than I ever have in my whole entire life. World is changing.